I rise to speak on the cut motions and oppose the demands listed today. It's because I will try to be very brief. Speaking on persons with disability, and empowerments of persons with disability, the portfolio that is changed, the name has been changed. I believe that the government, the minister has gained brownie points by holding the Purple Fest. And Jenna Purple Fest was acknowledged by the Prime Minister as well. I believe that the Honourable Minister should also consider that this has taken the aspirations of the person with disability to another level. And the government that considers Goa to be a paradise and disability-friendly location, but Magadista, the main idea of reaching out to these persons with disability is if we are able to penetrate and bring smiles for 365 days around the year. It's because a Purple Fest Kurun, after that, we have spoken in the same assembly for several times that later there are a lot of problems that are facing. लोक पड हा स्पिकर जेन्ना हे पर्पल फेस्ट जातात 7 दिसांचो सारको चोक जोग I have nothing against it, it's a good thing, but that same should be applied to 365 days down the year. The Honorable Chief Minister the other day said that he will try to make that. I think this is something that is very important. After the Purple Fest, what actually happens is what is important. Because Ami also suggest and this was last time, in the last budget session, about events that are organized by these government departments all across the state. And basically there is no funding or no provision within all the departments for physically accessible to persons with disabilities. Now you look at Lokutsav in Panjim, last time there was no ramp, no facilities there. जाऊं फूड फेस्टिवल जे टुरिजमाचे जाता, जाऊं फिल्म फेस्टिवल जे जाता, कार्निवल, होली, शिगमो. I'll tell you, see, the ramp, what you all put and what is actually required is different. What is actually, there are 5 conditions that have to be done. Because ye je International Purple Fest pad jata, even there I believe under section 40 and 44, all the things that were required under the Disability Act 2016 itself for the Purple Fest were missing. So we need to look at that very seriously. Because when I say physical accessibility as per this Act 2016, now the venues have to have ramps with proper gradient and handrail aspect, proper signages showing layout of the entire venue. Tisre je parking it should be reserved for persons with disability at the entrance of the venue. Chouthe, availability of sign language interpreter. This is mandatory. How many sign language interpreters do we have? I don't think so. Honorable Sports Minister, tumi Lokutsav ahle asu nahi. Because accessible toilets also for persons with disability. Ami aaj jenna uloita speaker sir, we talk about an honorable member Vijay Sardesai je tene sangala with regards to the beaches. Now beaches first of all are not accessible. Public buildings are not acceptable. Public libraries are not accessible. Hospitals, urban health centers, all of these are not accessible, most of them. So, Speaker Sir, I feel that you have the potential, but it is something that you need to push. You need to push the tempo. Speaker Sir, GMC, if we go, there's only an area marked. Goa Medical College itself doesn't have, and district hospitals, they have no wheelchair accessibility also. In so many places if you see. Speaker Sir, in the washroom, this is the problem in the washroom. I don't think so whether here there is anything done. Gelte assembly session kami inga oloille, and it was shocking to see a small boy was lifted from his wheelchair and he was brought here in the audience. आणि त्या वेळार जेन्ना आमी हो इश्यू रेज केलो एक रॅम्प कशें केलें तें रॅम्प आतां जें गायिल्लें बाब वेन्झी हिंगना तें असेंब्ली भायर ह्या सेशनाकूय गायिल्लें तें कोसळोलें लाकूड कितें आहलो तें कोसळोलें. वी नीड परमनंट मेजर्स एंड आय थिंक यू शूड sit down with legislature, minister, the honorable...
केलें मरे दुसरें.
ना कितें हा काय ना
दुसरें घायलें थिंगा.
ना दुसरें केलें तें परमनंट कोराय न्हू. देर शूड बी परमनंट मेजर्स done. Here there is, I don't think the toilet is accessible for person. If he wants to go to toilet, how do you help him? It's because म्हाका दिसता की the honorable chief minister, and we have spoken about the Sanjay school. Sanjay Schoolaचे जेन्ना आमी उलयले की the training center, almost 110 students are displaced. And when they are displaced, they create chaos at their house, parents. You promised us last time that you will look into it. What has happened? 6 months down the line, we are now asking you again, what have you done? What is the allocation done? Is there any place provided to them? What has your department? And I think the Honorable Chief Minister should let us.
Honorable Minister.
Honorable Minister.
कशें आसा तें हो जी हें आसा न्ही तें mandate is with Sanjay schools are maintained by education department and not by our department. Of course, since it is a disability, we have written to and we have tried our best and we have identified.
It is part of your system. It is part, it comes under education department, but you need to initiate it. There are only 110 students. If they are displaced, that means this itself is a failure. Why, I can't understand why the education department has not accommodated them or given a suitable alternative. It's because जे new education policy पडे आमगे हा, in this envisages for inclusive education, and there is no doubt a long gap. We are just starting this journey. But when I say that it envisages for inclusive education, I would like to bring to your notice. This relates to you and the education department. A lot of schools don't admit these students. They don't admit these students. Why? Because they themselves, तेंकोडे सारकी सुविधा रॅम्प ना, रिसोर्स रूम ना, पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटी फ्रेंडली टॉयलेट ना, सारके रिसोर्सफुल टीचर नाय. So this is connected. You need to make sure, and I have also written to the Honorable Chief Minister. I hope you all work on this, because जे post empty hai, these are the posts that you need to fill in this government. जे pension ha, pensionaचे उलयले. आज जे pensionaचो जो amount, I think Vijay stressed on various things on your recommendation. Today it is 2,000 rupees. I believe that this is from 2012. Since 2012, 2,000 rupees, because that itself is delayed. But apart from that, this has to be increased. Minimum as an average 5,000 rupees tori tenka tumi provide korpak jay, because it is not easy. A lot of people are blessed with these special children, and I believe that we need to understand the gravity of the situation. 2,000 rupees, because I do not think that anything can be done. You look at providing 5,000 rupees as a minimum. They have also written to you, all the various organizations, because je tu Purple Fest koda, my suggestion, last time also I suggested, I believe you need to decentralize it. Rather than doing one major event, if you do it something in South Goa, North Goa, some talukas, then I feel that the effect will be more. This is something that you could look at it, or skip 1 year of your international event and go to various villages and organize it in these talukas, because I feel you'll have greater participation, there'll be better boost for your morale. So, because म्हाका दिसता फेस्ता जी आमी कोताय पूण मागीर आमी न्हिदपा शिरीपणा हुंय ना हुंय हें आमी चोवपाक जाय स्पिकर्स. Because now coming to your thing, and last time you didn't give me, I request you, the Honorable Minister, to make a mark and let me know. Ata je Purple Fest 2023 जाल्लें, थिंगा जे construction and installation of various items at Miramar Beach, you all spent 49 lakhs. My question to the Honorable Minister is whether this is existing at Miramar Beach, the said infrastructure? Are beaches in Goa, including Miramar, accessible to persons with disabilities, is what you need to tell us. Because this time you have spent 20.78 crores. As I said, कि the target should be of basically if the same amount if you would have utilized and given them 5,000 rupees or whatever way, this would have brought smiles to them every day. I think we can do events, there is no doubt about it, but primarily focus should be just doing an event, someone is making money, the vendors or someone is making money. But let us make sure that the person with disability, Jai Burgi Hain, they are happy. So because so you have basically failed to implement schemes for person with disability. I'll tell you why. Employment opportunities are very less for persons with disability. Skill development je courses जावपाक जाय for persons with disability, I believe you need to introduce that to them. Je financial assistance, you need to increase the amount, and you need to create care homes for these persons with disability. Speaker sir, आम्ही एक जे तुमचे accessible India campaign आशिल्लें, and under that we had asked a question, and I believe that the government has failed to create जे infrastructure आसपाक जाय आशिल्लें for easy accessibility to persons with disability. Why I am saying that? Under your Accessible India Campaign 1, under that 31 buildings were identified, out of which, Speaker sir, only 22 as per your reply, after spending 13 crores 71 lakhs, 22 buildings you are saying are person with disability, enka hi suvidha ham, no building thing kelne. Second phase part to gaya 45 buildings.
How much you said? 13 crores?
13.71.
Huh?
13.71 of India Accessible Campaign. I will give you the reply if you want. Speaker sir, जे 45 buildings आशिल्ले in next phase. So which are these buildings? You need to go faster with regards to this. Speaker sir, आमचे assembly, I have spoken about it. I believe as a thing you should possibly start this particular place because we should practice what we preach. And I believe that you should look at it, whether legislative affairs, whether thing, hank kai answer mein nahi. Ami zaiti question gaile, they are acting like secret service. I don't understand whether this thing is safe. I'm not sure. So this is something that I believe you take as a challenge, and next time, Speaker sir, तीन पुसा आए मागला. I believe you should look at it seriously. Speaker sir, ani ek je highlight korpak sota, and I would like to know the reason. 99 lakhs 21,000 pot took ille under India campaign project in 22-23. No amount was spent. It was not utilized. So why you didn't utilize this? Speaker sir, I had asked another question for you, another LAQ 222 of all the buildings which are accessible to persons with disability and the list of government structures and buildings whose accessibility audit, safety and structure audits are taken down by the government along with the audit report. Together answers or you said 22 government structures and buildings are accessible for person with disability. But that answer, your reply also states that no accessible audit, safety and structural audit is done in these buildings. The same reply. So without doing accessible audits, who certifies that these buildings are fully accessible to person with disability? You please let us know. Dusra Speaker sir, je magadista grievance officers that need to be appointed, disability certificates, a lot of people have spoken about it. These are practical issues, wide publicity. These are things that you need to look very, very seriously. Je Bab Daji Salkaran je mandla, person with autism, I believe there are a lot of youths, and the autism spectrum is quite wide today. And to realize you've got autism today in a child, early detection is something that is required. And jenna early detection jata through these early intervention centers, the health ministry has absolutely failed. Appointment tenga 6 mahine meta. If you try to take an appointment today to a consultant in the North Goa district and South Goa district, you get it after 6 months. I had, Speaker sir, J. Magadista, yet particular with autism, I had written to the Honorable Chief Minister. I would, in the year, in 2023, this was the letter that I wrote to the Honorable Chief Minister. With relating to, I had asked the Honorable Chief Minister to create care centers for person with autism. and provide reservations for persons with autism in government jobs. Hez nantar mak khabar na same letter je historical places are kelle hez bashi ai kelle. I don't know whether the chief minister has put that letter in the cupboard. What is the status of this proposal? I want
Just 1 minute. ते म्हाका 13 crores कितें सांगलें न्ही. I don't know from where you got this answer, but it is 4.43 for 22 buildings. 4.43
I'll
crores.
give you the reply. Speaker sir, je assurance amka maka dista honorable mantrin diupak जाय की when will these autistic care centers be developed and about the job reservation. This is something that is very, very important. Not early intervention centers that the government has. You get 6 months, but you need to have autistic care centers. Because employment opportunities, there are a lot of diploma holders, graduates that don't have jobs. I believe we need to be sympathetic. our recruiting rule, we need to basically relax it so that they are provided with jobs. I have another reply on 1st August. Ye reply LAQ 133. There are 109 persons with disabilities employed in various government departments. Anik, out of this, Speaker sir, 9 employees are on temporary basis, is what your reply says, and they have qualifications like BCom, BCA. It's shocking to see that there is one Bachelor of Engineering working as LDC also. So, Speaker sir, I believe that we have to utilize their services also in better position. Effectively, if you implement the Act, Central Act number 49 of 2016, I think a lot of problems would be resolved. Speaker sir, with regards to coming to the point of public utilities and the facilities for these persons with disability, others buildings, schools, streets, public transport that are accessible to, you have said 21 departments are there. And the tourism minister's answers are also there with me. And he says in his answer, 24 beaches are physically challenged friendly. I just got a message from some people that, now which are these beaches? Are you aware of these 21 beaches that are, which are these beaches? I asked you about Miramar. The tourism minister says 24 beaches are physically challenge friendly. Where are these? Does the department know? Because your reply says that 16 bus stands and 10 talukas are disabled friendly. Is it as per just a ramp or as per those 5 conditions as per the Act? What provision? I don't see any provision made on any beach in Goa where separate parking is made for person with disability, where there is an interpreter. I don't think. So all these answers are not as per the Act. We cannot just classify by just bringing ramp, ink pot gaile, temai saddisan plywood gaile, the plywood kosodale. Teso kon person with disability. I think we are making a joke out of ourselves. You are a professional. I am also a professional. Let us look at it. Eradicating the cause and set an example. Because sir, म्हाका दिसता 63 KTC buses, आमी मोविन बाबा बर्थडे ते गेलो, आमी प्रश्न केलो कितले नये बस पड येताय. Have you तो busy हा मरे थिंगा ना कितें आपतो कापराल डिस्टर्ब करता. Speaker sir, 63 buses are there. They are said as per 2023 that 60 bus pade hai. How many are in the entire Kadamba fleet? Have you taken a note? It doesn't come in your jurisdiction, but you need to understand to eradicate this cause. Do you have a thing to that? Because cinema, beaches, government offices, holy places, malls, all this required. I hope and I demand from the Honorable Minister that you need to shift this direction. Take it as a challenge. Go to all the areas and do this. Because on river navigation, and river navigation directly I come to the point and I feel that the I say that the solar ferry boat padhali is a scam. This solar ferry boat ji padhali, Speaker sir, this was commissioned in April 2022 for rupees 3 crores 97 lakhs, and as per your reply it operated for 3 months. And that's because, sir, why I call this as a scam? Because, sir, as per your reply, you say that your department has the trained manpower to operate this solar ferry boat. Okay. Now, I want to know what is the current status. Battery cholna, ye cholna, te dusri bhashas. Because sir, what is the reason for stopping the operation? And this particular ferry boats, because of Alli, this basically was purchased on a note. And this note was purchased by the OSD to the ex-chief minister. Minister Bab, on note pada. Tu minister zalo itla vegino. Tu 7 तारखे हाडल्या जावपा मरे. वो note pada. वो Prasanna Karthik. This is a note which Prasanna Karthik had moved, who was the OSD of the ex-chief minister Manohar Parrikar in 2017. And
When
as
was it
per the
moved?
note, Speaker
When
sir,
was it moved?
2017. You were not this. I'll give it to you. Speaker sir, he note when it was moved, Speaker sir, it was said, तेजे हाडला COP तेजे remark माला, Captain of Ports, कि solar ferry boat हे uneconomical mo and unviable mo, गोयन चलपा ना. तेज नंतर सुदीन बाब R&D minister आशिल्लो. तो केरला गेलो. केरला गेल ते he prepared Speaker sir and highlighted. तो थिंग गेलो, he highlighted certain changes. And he said that जे गोयात narrow navigation channel आहे, जे more water currents in Goa as compared to Kerala waters, high initial cost. And he said that we have to take appointments from views from experts on solar energy, electrical engineering. All these things was suggested by Sudhin Dhaulikar. Because without doing this, the department went and purchased this boat. They purchased this boat, Speaker sir, and overruled zale sagle without doing it, in spite saying that it is not feasible. Ema khabar na Kerala गावांत कोणागे जावं आलो तो सरकारला जालो त्या टायमार कोणागे जावं आलो तो खबर ना कित्याक ये this is a very serious thing. It was very, very clear that it was not viable at such a high cost. Why basically was this purchased? And that's because sir, आयचो answer जो 22/7/2024 इंतून answer जे captain of I had asked whether captain of ports conducted any study to check the feasibility and viability of the solar ferry boats in Goa. If yes, furnish copies. Answer is no, sir. So what was asked to do was not done, and the system was bypassed, and this resulted in a loss of almost 4 crores. Who is accountable for this? Honorable Minister needs to do. It's very, yeah. Speaker sir, Maka dista ki we have spoken about in the morning about our nationalization of rivers. There also we pointed out how Shapora, Kumbarjua, Mandovi, Mapsa all were just taken away. Speaker sir, this didn't happen just like that. It happened because Manohar Parrikar said it was not the baby of his government. Oh, thanks, Speaker sir. Magadista, he said that DPR is not our baby. It is shocking to see that the then Chief Minister Parsekar, this was the date. He said, looking at the positive attitude of the government to the state government, I agree on the proposal. And when, well, can you ask him to match Rao re Satar ke itlo tu kide abus zat re Rao mare mashe sarko Satar ke suit maru mauta kamo match Rao. Because sir, that it will let me tell that 10th July 2015. This was the date on which the BJP government approved the proposal of centre to declare 6 rivers as in Goa as national waterways. And this was the day our rivers were sold to people from in Delhi. Because जायत मोठा एक casino पडे हाय ते riversala येतले Shapora nuint येतले कायदे जे पडे हाय आम चोयल्यार we didn't get a chance to speak in the morning. But there are several loopholes, several places where they can take over, and the government of Goa has absolutely no control. Speaker sir, I hope that coal transportation and jetty pade hai te tingan जायना जाल्या पुरो. Ro ferryचे jenna उलयलो मंत्री इंगाना, but his reply says that he's purchasing these boats at 24 crores. Whether, I'm asking whether feasibility and study has been done of this proposal. The same answer, Zoritor Tuinsoilas, because it is his same answer. Solar and ro-ro ferry boats in Goa. Whether Captain of Ports had conducted any study to check feasibility and viability of solar ferry boats. And he needs to answer. Have you all really done a survey? And nadala te ponne hai tyoj bore hai, tyoj upgrade karais. Because speaking about social welfare, I believe that the ministry should have a very strong relationship with segments of the society whose basic needs are not met through the system. And we need to connect to them. If you look at the SC, ST, OBC, different able, मुख्य मंत्री इंगना जुंता हाउसा आन प्रुडेंट मीडिया वीडियो चोयता तिंगान चोयल्यार सारकी आन ओस्पानो शिफ्ट एंड केल मु सांगोत्तो but there are several people still working there. That condition, it can collapse everywhere, leakages. Still there are people there. Is it safe? It's in dilapidated condition, declared unsafe. Still government servants are working there. Person with disability are it's absolutely careless. It can be a man-made disaster because then they need to act. Immediately act because I was just watching the video. It's in a horrible condition. It's because DSS I believe Soglyak Hobara, and it's a practical problem. Although the minister says just before his question demands he says everything is cleared, everything is cleared. You imagine an elderly lady, 80-year-old, goes to the bank, goes on a pilot, goes on a bus, goes there and checks in the bank that she feels that 2,000 rupees elai kamo. She goes there. The ospa yopa daga 450 rupiya ezo maka dista expenses ada. But they come back saying that they have not received the amount. Second, again, after 15, 20 days, they go again, the same thing. So 3 months, 6 months, this delay, this delay needs to stop. The 3 months, 6 months, you have the Atal Asra ji scheme. How many are pending? And how many are, what is the amount left? What is the criteria left? I think you need to tell us. Speaker sir, in the budget speech, it is mentioned that the government intends to increase the sphere of work across various corporations, social activists, now minorities, backward and tribal population. That is what the Chief Minister stated in his scheme. I believe, what is the provision that you've made for this? Have you made any budgetary provision? I see no provision for it. Speaker sir, Scholarship Portal Award, you've made an amount of 7 crores 16 lakhs as budgetary provision. So, what are the amount of applications pending with you? What are the, how many you have received by 30th June? Magadista tuye amka sangpak jai. Achi sang hai. Speaker sir, with regards to Divyang scheme, you've made a provision of 28 crores 71 lakhs. So, where will you use this? Are you going to use some amount from here for Purple Fest? So, what is your formula? It has to go to them.
What is it?
Divyang, you have provided one under able, crippled, special people, Divyang under the scheme. You have made a provision of 28 crores, 28.71 crores. So, where will you distribute it and what is the exact plan of yours? Because Mugale Aye Jenna question in Salle, LAQ 154, 15 July 2024. 21 crores is pending as per the reply. 21 crores, 44 lakhs. 30 lakh pending high ex gratia to family of COVID victims. 70 lakhs are pending for awards for intercaste marriages for SC Anik PRC Act 1989. 7 crores, 39 lakhs are pending for Atal Asra. This is your answer. Speaker sir, for 12 crores, 12.99 crores are pending for COVID relief. 19 into Majalai, am Gelte Osagi, Ditolo to Ditleo, Dupan, and things hang. Dil Puil Dil Musanga pending Kita look by Amchborete, Sogle Amdara Borete, Kiba, Zatle Zaupanala to Sang, and Kenne Zatletas. Because if you look at your DSS pending, some are pending from 2016. So this 2016, I believe it's almost 8 years. You need to do a survey, decide. On the answer, I had asked you, what is the method?
Speaker, sir, under Rule 16 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business, I move a motion to extend the duration of the sitting of the House by
30 minutes.
1 hour.
The motion is that the sitting of the House be extended by 1 hour. Those in favor may say aye. Aye. Those against may say no. The ayes have it, the ayes have it. The duration of the sitting of the House is extended by 1 hour.
Because the method I install for pending applications and that will be cleared. You have used the word shortly, you will clear it in your reply. Shortly, there are 8 years also people. So decide on that, whether they are valid or no. I want an assurance when these dues will be cleared. Because speaking on Department of Archaeology, the budget to Geha is 15.96% less than what was in your revised estimates in 23-24. Coming to the point, the other day we had debated on places of historical importance. Ejer Ami debate zali, and we said that a law had to come. Whether you would amend your act, Honorable Chief Minister assured us that within the next 3 months, जे places hai, Chieftain Memorial, Azad Maidan, Lohiya Maidan,
We
Sogle.
take it in heritage policy. We make a special.
No, heritage policy is of your, he said he's going to take it on the home. So I think it's better he take, Chief Minister was on the, told us that he's going to take it on the home. Heritage to policy, azun eku meeting zalya. But teje yeta on the heritage, kenne zatle ye, in sogle ye beb de, and think, see, we need to set two sark senapati mote gelo. Tu ye zagyar galpa zayin, tu sar mukar asad mare fargeo pako.
Home Minister,
Home Minister made it.
why it has to come here when you are satisfied that he has been taking it?
I'm just telling you because during this chieftain function also you know what is the problem there. Every time we give them a word. Because ye zag padi hai of places of historical importance. JM Chief Minister and Sangela and tu ye teko coordinate kon. I patra I think yesterday I wrote it. Because J heritage building and structure we have somehow failed. The heritage policy, you've had only one meeting. There was a calling attention moved by Vijay Sardesai and Kalus in the last session. I think it's almost a year now. You said you would come within a year. But in this one year, I don't know, just one meeting has held. So what, when, if you could tell us.
We have a draft, don't worry, it will be completed in 1 year.
Yeah. Another 1 year.
No. From that day, 1 year.
Speaker sir, Chandori Heritage Village, Mukhil Mantri Sangile declared it in the budget speech, but nothing has happened. You have those consultants that you try to appoint. I called your director also, we had 2-3 meetings. When will this happen? Whether it is going to happen, I think a provision of 3.5 crores is also made for you as budgetary provision for that particular part. You please tell us what is this, because sir, Magadista renovation of by Delilah, Zai Tulele about the forts, refurbishment should be done on priority. Speaker sir, last archivasache janna uletna, I believe that somehow we have failed to promote the archives. Why I say that is because what you've done with the scientific handling of these documents. This was a major highlight of yours when you were made a minister. You stressed on that. So what have you done to digitalize these records? And it is the responsibility of the government. It is a sorry state. Michael Babu, it is a library, central library, Mantri, tinga 6th floor leakage. On the 6th floor, Udo in, and there we have books of 1524, right from the Portuguese era, a lot of books in Konkani also, and I believe they are damaged. I was asking the Honorable Chief Minister to give me an answer. He said, I cannot raise this. This is the most important thing. We are trying to preserve our heritage, and the department got a rap from the High Court saying that AC cholnamo 2 crore AC galchmu, and dusre side udo eta. I don't know. So whether you have plans also to have libraries and all. So there's no provision in your budget. Don't make sure you have some structural study be sarkidor. Ye bashi amgili ji heritage ha 1524 books, Konkani, French, Italian, ye sogle maga dista hui na hui damage zale. I hope your staff, with the rising SIT cases, staff should be have some integrity and commitment. Zaid case आहे जे भितूयल्या पेज काण ते माय बायल हे दिताय ते हेवी who keeps a look थिंगा कॅमेरा आहे ते कॅमेरा चलताय with this because म्हाका दिसता हांव उलयलां I try to curtail but please give us an answer especially on that जे पट solar ferry हांवें सांगलां it didn't happen during your time who overshadowed and who is responsible and whether you will fix responsibility हांव सांगचें देव बरें करूं स्विकार
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.